Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with WAG. For pet sitting in USA, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with WAG. For pet sitting in the USA, begin by visiting the official WAG website. Click on the Become a Walker or Join as a Pet Sitter option on the homepage. You will be directed to a sign-up page where you need to enter your email address. Create a strong password for your WAG account and confirm it. Next, provide your first and last name in the designated fields. Select your state and city from the drop-down menus to help WAG find clients in your area. Once you've entered all required information, click on the Sign Up button to proceed. After signing up, you'll receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Check your email and click the verification link provided by WAG. Once verified, log in to your WAG account using your email and password. You will be prompted to complete your profile with details about your experience with pets. Upload a clear profile picture of yourself, showcasing your friendly demeanor. Provide information on the types of pets you are comfortable caring for, such as dogs or cats. Specify your availability for pet sitting and walking services to attract more clients. WAG may require you to complete a background check to ensure the safety of pets and their owners. Follow the instructions for the background check process, which includes providing personal information and consent. After your background check is approved, complete any additional training required by WAG. WAG offers resources and guidance for new sitters to help you succeed. Once your profile is complete and approved, start bidding on jobs in your area. Respond promptly to requests from pet owners to increase your chances of getting hired. Always communicate clearly and professionally with pet owners to establish trust. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.